Okay, good morning. Let's trade some NQ futures using NinjaTrader software. Market opens in 2 minutes. Take a quick scan of some of the longer term charts to see where we currently stand. Here's a 174. It looks like it's trying to bottom here off of the 2 deviation Keltner. These are now older trend lines that we should be deleting. So here's the 174. Looks like we're trying to bottom off this 2 deviation Keltner that happened 2:30 in the morning. Really no confirmation until you get up above 1798, which really isn't all that far anyhow. 120. These all look the same. 345 still looks like it wants to go down. These are all inside bars in the longer term. This could easily just turn around and go down south. It's a 60-minute. What do we have? A minute left. It's going to be a very interesting market today. We're kind of in a position, here's the daily chart, we're kind of in a position where we can head back down to 452. Obviously not today, but could be today. It's only 300 points. We're already down 60. So sure, anything's possible with NQ, but it broke support here, so it's kind of interesting. We got 45 seconds. So here's the 30, kind of sideways on the 15. 8 minutes sideways to up. We're just going to have to look for clear and concise patterns. What I look for is bottoms just like this. However, I prefer this to be at the bottom. This actually is setting up to be a bottom trade. If it closes green, the stochastic crosses up, this comes up yellow, and we make a higher high. Assuming this crazy market doesn't run faster than I'm able to enter trades like it was doing yesterday morning. So we'll see here. 67.76. So the market is doing exactly that. It's moving below.
Order submitted.
Look at that. I couldn't even get filled.
Order canceled.
And this is completely wrong anyway. It's moving faster than I was able to even get filled. I have to reload my chart because that's actually what it looked like.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
That was some sideways trading. I could see that there's a lot more pressure to the upside than to the downside. So once we broke this higher high, I took it on a pullback because I could see this thing's trading all over the place. So I entered at 808 and I was out at 813. So I took 5 points on 2 contracts. That's a $200 profit. If the indicators turn around up here and this thing breaks above 65, there could be a trade there, 65 to 70. Really like my indicators to tell me the same thing, which we already just broke 65.
Order
If
submitted.
I can buy it back, I will. See what happens.
Order filled.
Well, so far it's pulling back on me. See how it goes.
Target failed.
Well, there you go, guys.
Target
We
filled.
got paid in 35 seconds. Another 200 bucks. So we have $400 profit. Looking to make one more trade. It's kind of an interesting short here. Since this didn't run up and make a higher high, if this thing turns around and breaks below this level of support, makes for a good short.
Order
Order
submitted.
submitted.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Target
Target
failed.
filled.
Just like I said, it makes a good short. Just got paid $200 in 8 seconds on that. So there's our 500 bucks. We're actually up 600 bucks. So did that in 1 hour's trading.